And this dog does not like my RC car.
Hey, Wolfie 101, come here.
Yeah, what?
Hey guys, so
That's
I'm Pet World.
Pet World,
And
whatever.
Donna D.
That, what's yours, buddy?
The Minecraft King.
Yeah, Minecraft King. Check them both out.
Oh, I haven't made my channel yet.
Yeah, he hasn't made a channel yet. I'm Wolfie 101. This is my first video, so please don't hate on it. And this is the dog that hates my RC car. Now let's try it. Who wants to record for me?
Me.
Right here.
Well, I was gonna record from my channel.
Hold on, here you go.
I'm back.
Alright, let's see.
Go on and go to my channel and check this video out. Hey guys, Pet World.
This dog hates my RC car. I get close to it, yeah, I like it.
You can. I know.
That's Donna's dog.
Bigger wheels than the
They
run
found
over
out she's pregnant.
Look. In my car. It goes pretty fast in the tires. It goes really fast in a house. You know, check out, what's this place called? It's like at the beach and it's like something. You should go check it out. I hate the RC.
Go get up on the crib and go.
Dog hates RC. Oh, we're gonna do another video. We're gonna do.
Now we're going to see what the car has to say and the dog has to say.
Alright, let's see what the dog.
Okay, you speak for the car.
Alright.
Speak for the car.
What's up, dog?
No. Speak for the car to me.
Alright, you ready, doggy? Come take my car. We're going after your baby. You think I'm a dog hater? I'm not. I love dogs. I'm just playing with dogs. Hey girl.
Here's the fucking video. I need a flashlight.
I don't have one.
Dang it. You won. Mom, I'm trying to feed puppies.
What?
Trying to feed puppies. Don't win. Hey, we need to give her a right to let her feed the puppies. It's probably...
Time to end the video, guys. Yeah, hope y'all enjoyed the video.
Alright.
No, I'm going to show you
Bye.
something. Show you this.
Hey, subscribe to my channel too.
Yeah,
Like.
subscribe to his. Y'all better or...
Subscribe too, but I haven't made any videos yet. I'm gonna make one when we play Minecraft.
Yeah, I'm gonna end this one and I'm going inside and make another one. So, hope you enjoy.
Bye, guys. Hope you subscribe to both of them.
Do one of these to mine
And
and subscribe. See y'all. And we'll give one glimpse of the puppies. One little glimpse. See the, oh, it's dark as crap. That I just give a glimpse of the dog that was chasing my RC.
Well, we can get it to show.
Boom.
Taking a